Well, we've been talking about this level at 4,600. When you pull in something like NASDAQ level 4 data, where you can see the number of sell orders that are preparing at different prices, you can see that at 4,600, there's a huge wall of resistance, meaning as soon as we get into that 4,600 range, a lot of folks are going to be cashing out of the market. Folks that got in that, they got in a few, I would say like about 18 months to 2 years ago. They got in thinking that there was no way that the market could turn south on them. And as soon as they got in, we're talking about people that probably should not have been investing in the markets, but there was so much hype and there was so much FOMO, fear of missing out, that people started to throw their money into the markets that they otherwise had in more safe investments. And then, sure enough, we know about 18 months ago, the market turned south on them. And so they've been white knuckling it this whole time. And as soon as they can get out without losing their shirt, they're going to. So we see a lot of selling at 4,600. We ran into that level and I had said on this show, we need to pull back and then gain some real buying momentum to hit that wall with a lot of buying to outweigh all that selling and to get through. So we did start that pullback and then we overshot it. Last week we were talking about how we overshot that pullback and that causes kind of a weakness, and we were challenging this ascending line of support last week. Well, right now, as of yesterday, as of the close in yesterday's market, we closed past this, what we call a 100% retracement line. So that means we closed lower than this reversal from the last time we had a start. What that signifies technically is that that was the end of our uptrend. We had been in an uptrend since our uptrend started on March 6th. That technically, as of yesterday, July 31st, was the end of that uptrend. And these uptrends and downtrends tend to overlap by one micro move here. And so it actually tells us, and retrospect is always nice, hindsight's always nice, but it basically tells us that since the beginning of the summer doldrums, July 7th, that's actually been the beginning of our new downtrend.